Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start mixing the gel base now, do not delay. Combine clear glue and glycerin at 2:1 so the sticker stays flexible but holds shape. Stir slowly to avoid bubbles. Bubbles ruin clarity and adhesion. Once combined, add 5 to 10% clear epoxy or resin to set durability and prevent tackiness. This is why we don't use water. Make sure pigments are concentrated. A little mica or dye goes a long way. You're building the core texture and strength here. Once the base is homogeneous, pour into silicone molds or onto acetate sheets for die-cut shapes. Pour thin layers to control thickness and prevent sinking. Cure partially between pours so suspended elements stay where you place them. If you want depth, add glitter or foil between layers. Press decals gently so they don't wrinkle. This is why you work in stages. Work under a lamp or in a warm room to speed curing. Make sure to degas bubbles with a toothpick before the layer sets. You finish by demolding, trimming flash, and sealing with a thin clear top coat to lock and gloss and protect art. For stickers, apply adhesive squares or peel and stick laminate. Test one sample on paper to confirm repositionability versus permanent hold. If pieces are cloudy, recoat with a thin resin layer after light sanding. If still tacky, extend cure time or slightly increase epoxy ratio next batch. One key tip: if edges peel, press with a roller and reseal immediately to bond the layers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.